శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 701st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 3rd పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 3rd chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Dharmaraju praying Surya Bhagavan like this, Hey Surya Bhagavan, you are the one who is giving light to all these worlds. Trayanamapi lokanam hitayaikah pravartase. For the welfare of 3 worlds, you are only the one who is acting very actively. Tava yadi udayo nasyat andham jagadidam bhavet nacha dharmartha kameshu pravarteran manishinaha. If you do not rise, this entire universe will be left in darkness, and no humans can behave in their own ways, and no humans can fulfill their dharma artha kamas. O Surya Bhagavan, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaisyas, all of these categorized people, all their activities like mantra japam, yajnas, tapasyas, all these they are doing only because of your blessings. It is said, 1000 yugas is 1 day for Brahma. Even for that, beginning and ending is you. All the Manus, all the other people's worlds, and for all the Manvantaras, you are the one who is master. And at the time of destruction, Pralaya Kalam, the anger comes out from you, becomes Samvartaka Agni, and destroys 3 lokas. O Surya Bhagavan, you are the one who divides yourself as 12 Adityas and takes care of this entire universe. Tvam Indraha, you are the Indra, you are Rudra, you are Vishnu, you are Prajapati, you are Agni, you are all pervasive, you are Sasvata Brahma. And you are the one who is praised with so many other names like Savita, Bhanu, Amsumali, Vrushakapi, Vivasvanta, Mihira, Pusha, Mitra, Dharma, Sahasrarasmi, Aditya, Tapana, Gavampati, Martanda, Arka, Ravi, Surya, Dinakarta, Divakara, Saptasapti, Dhamakeshi, Virochana, Asugami, Tamoghna, Haritasva. Like that, Dharmaraju praying Surya Bhagavan. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण नारायण. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.